Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's a pizza maker's favorite song? Slice, slice, baby. Pizza could talk, what would it say? A lot of cheesy things. Why are dubstep musicians so bad at making pizza? Because they always drop the bass. What did the pizza say when it went out on a date? I never sausaged a beautiful face. I burned my Hawaiian pizza the other day. I should have cooked it at aloha temperature. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Weird Wild Pizza.